Cristy Lee here with Driveline Forensics. Today, we're going to remove the drive carrier assembly using an overhead hoist. To get her done, you'll need safety straps, chains, or whatever support you're going to use for the job, a pry bar, an impact gun, an offset socket wrench, a 24mm adapter, and safety glasses. Remember, whatever you are using for the removal, whether it's straps or chains, or J-hooks or clevises, make sure it's all safety rated for the weight of the job. Here, we're working on a DSP-40 forward carrier assembly. The forward assembly can be more challenging to remove than the rear carrier, so what do you say we just hit the challenge head on? Are you game? Awesome, let's do it. So if you're in the shop, you'll have the vehicle flat on the ground with the brake set and the wheels chalked. But so you can get a better view, we've gone ahead and lifted it. I've also already drained the oil from the drive axle housing. Now, we're ready to go. We're going to start by disconnecting the drive shaft from the input yoke. So we'll need to cinch the drive shaft to the frame with the safety strap. The next step is to remove both axle shafts from the wheel ends. Toss a drip pan under the hub. You'll be glad that you did. Then take the nuts and washers off of the studs with an impact gun and fully remove the axle shafts. Now, let's get that carrier down. You'll need an offset socket wrench for the ones behind the power divider. Now, install your guide pins at 3 and 9 o'clock and hook up your chains to support the carrier flange and input yoke. To loosen the carrier from the housing, pull up on the input yoke with the hoist. Put just enough pressure on it to break the seal of the carrier. When hooking to the carrier, adjust your chains opposed enough to each other to balance the weight or pick it up from the top. The goal is to pull it out as balanced as possible. Walk the carrier out enough to engage the chains into the 10 and 2 positions so the carrier stays at the same angle as when it was installed. Then slide the carrier out of the housing. You probably have to use some muscle to get it out, and you can raise or lower the hoist to help it out a little bit. And that's it. Pretty easy, right? You had no problems on your end, did you? No? Now, when you're ready to replace the carrier assembly, come on back and I'll help you get it done quickly and correctly. See you soon.